Today, I've come to take your hand and lead you into the deepest layers of self-knowledge, where we will decipher the codes of the sky. My aim in teaching these fundamentals is for you, my friends, to be able to examine your own birth chart semi-independently and understand the unique impact of planetary influences on you personally. Today, we are going to understand how planets talk to each other. In the ancient wisdom approach, these angles aren't just numbers, they are the conversations of mythological deities on the zodiac wheel. Look, friend, first of all, you need to become familiar with the language of imagery, or glyphs. Each aspect, or the angle between planets, has a specific graphical symbol. For example, a conjunction is shown by a circle and a line. Mythologically, a conjunction signifies the close union of two forces, like two kings cohabiting in one palace. A square, shown by a square, represents 90-degree angles that symbolize mythological challenges, friction, and tension between two archetypes who want to prove themselves to each other. And a trine, shown by a triangle, represents a 120-degree angle that gifts your chart with smooth, harmonious flow and cosmic blessings, as if two planets are having tea together and synergizing. If you feel that this language of the stars is becoming fascinating to you, hit the like button right now so that the YouTube algorithm can spread this awareness to more people. Thank you. Now, let's move on to a very important point that many people get wrong: the orb of influence. For an aspect to form, the angle doesn't need to be exact center to center. In modern astrology, an orb of about 6 degrees is generally accepted. This means the planet's magnetic fields are so strong that even if they are a few degrees apart, their mythological effect and frequency still cast a shadow on your life. Let me give you some tangible examples so it really sticks in your mind. The full moon occurs when the sun and moon are in opposition, that is, the sun on one side and the moon on the other side of the earth, the takabel of the ruler of the day and the queen of the night. Conversely, the new moon happens when these two are in conjunction. This means the sun and moon become one, initiating a new cycle of intentions and energies in the awesome darkness of the sky. See, friend, when you put these technical and practical points together, your birth chart transforms from a lifeless painting into a living theater of ancient myths and wisdom. Now you can go to your own chart and find these angles. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments which symbol or aspect you saw most in your chart: conjunction, square, or trine. I'm looking forward to your beautiful comments. Until the next video, may your light increase.